Okay, distributive property. How do you do it? You find a number that goes, the greatest common factor that goes both into 28 and 42, just like when you're simplifying. And 7 happens to be the biggest factor that goes into 28 and 42. So you put 7 there, you put a parenthesis, and you go 7 times what number equals 28? Well, that's 4. Bring down the division. 7 times what equals 42? 6. And then put it in a parentheses, and that's how you do distributive property. They're very, very easy, but you have to do the GCF. Well, what happens if you didn't know what was the GCF of 28 and 42? Then you would have to do rainbow. You would have to do 1 times 28, 2 times 14, 3 doesn't go in, 4 times 7, and the only numbers in between 4 and 7 are 5 and 6, and neither one go in. Then you would have to do the same for the 42. You would have to do 1 and 42, 2 and 21, 3, 1 and 12, 14, 3 times 14, 5 don't go in, 6 times 7. And then you go find, they both have in common the 1s, they both have in common the 2s, they don't have in common the 3s, they don't have in common the 4, they don't have in common the 6, they do have in common the 7s. Oh, look at this. It isn't 7. It's actually 14. Look at that. Wow, so we would have gotten this one wrong. So this one actually is, wow, this wasn't a tricky one. This was a good one. This is 14. You would put a 2 divided by, and 14 times 3 equals 42. So that was even fantastic. I like it that I made a boo-boo, but I ended up finding it. Thank you.